Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing about the foreign key, right? So we have already discussed about the primary key, natural keys, surrogate keys, this stuff, but we haven't discussed about the foreign key, right? So today let's discuss the foreign key before hopping into the relationship types, basically, right? Whether it may be one to one to many to one, many to many, as well as self-referencing relationship. So here, before that, let's discuss what is foreign key. Foreign key is a field or group of fields in one table that refers to the primary key in another table that refers to the primary key in another table. This part is important, right? A foreign key is a field in one table that refers to the primary key in other table. Let's go with a simple explanation here. Let me tell you, foreign keys make sure or foreign keys ensure referential integrity. They ensure referential integrity means they link records across the tables and prevent the invalid data from being inserted. They link records across the tables and prevent invalid data from being inserted. This one you have to keep in mind, right? This one we have to keep in mind. Foreign keys ensure referential integrity, right? So this is first thing. And they link the records across tables and prevent invalid data from being inserted. So this is how the foreign keys will be handy, right? So let's go with a very simple example. Let's go with a very simple example here. So I'll just go with use. So the name of the database YT test. So this is fine. So now let's create the table named this one, courses. This is fine. So within the courses table, I want to have the parameters. One is course ID. So this is fine, course ID. So this will be in. So let's consider this one as primary key. Let's consider this one as primary key. What does the foreign key definition states here? Foreign key is a field in one table that refers to the primary key in other table. That refers to the primary key in other table. So I'll just go with one more parameter here. Nothing but the course name. Course name. This one will be varchar varchar of 50. This one will be varchar of 50. This is fine. So let me come out of this one entirely. Now let's create the table student. So this one will be, we have to consider another table, right? So this is fine. Now let me go with student ID. So student ID type int. Then let me set this one to primary key. Let me set this one to primary key. And also along with the student ID, I need student name and enrolled course. So I'll just go with the student name here. This one let me give varchar of this one 50. This is enough 50 is enough. So this is fine. I'll just go with enrolled course as well. Enrolled course as well. So enrolled course. So this one is int. This one is int. This is fine. And now we will be making use of the foreign key. We will be making use of the foreign key, right? So I'll just go with foreign key, foreign key of enrolled courses, right? So enrolled courses, this one, enrolled courses. Let me copy this one entirely. Let me give here enrolled course. We close this one and it we have to reference to something, right? So we have to reference this one to something. So here in this case, foreign key basically is a field in one table that refers to the primary key in another table, right? So here let's reference this one to the courses table. Means primary key means it will go with the course ID. Basically it refers to the primary key here, in the sense it will be course ID. So we have to give the table name courses. Here let me give references. So this one will be courses of course ID. So this one will be course ID. So this is fine. Course ID. This is fine. So we have successfully written the this one query, right? So we have successfully written the query. So now let me explain this one very quickly. Let me explain this one very quickly. This is nothing but the courses table we are going with. We have successfully created the courses table, which consists of course ID and course name here, right? So courses table has unique course ID here, unique course ID, and this is the primary key. Course courses table has unique course IDs, right? So and the students table links to the courses via enrolled course. See here, this one foreign key we have considered, right? Foreign key of enrolled course. So this one students table links to the courses via enrolled courses, and the foreign key, this one, whatever the term we have made use of the foreign key here, foreign key, right? Foreign key makes sure or ensures that a student can only enroll in existing courses. Foreign key ensures that a student can only enroll in the existing courses, can only enroll in the existing courses, right? So let me run this one. So we'll not get any output basically. So we'll not get any output rows. Instead, we'll get the message saying successful execution, right? So that's it. We haven't inserted anything, right? So we have to get the successful execution. That's it. Incorrect syntax, line number 7. Where? So this one is, oh yeah, this one I have to remove a semicolon. So this is fine. Let me execute this one again. Yeah, you can clearly see here, comments completed successfully. Type. So we are just getting the successful execution message. That's it, right? It basically confirms the setup. Basically confirms the setup. This is it about the foreign key. This is it about the foreign key. Mainly, so let me summarize this one for you. Foreign key, what it does is it links the tables. It links tables. First thing, foreign key links tables, right? And also it enforces data consistency, and also it enforces the data consistency, right? The final thing is we must match an existing primary key in the reference table. We must match an existing primary key in the reference table. That's what we did. That's what we did in this example, in this example, right? So I hope the foreign key concept is completely clear, man. Next, let's move on with the different types of relationship. So let's move on with one-to-one relationship first, right? For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.